Not only have I been in less grumpy moods, but it allows me to get better at school.
You slowly bend forward and touch your toes. And back up. Good.
To heal boo-boos. Because it helps me have a better attitude. Because it feels good. More healthy. So that I'm healthy and strong. Because it makes me healthier and stronger. Makes me feel better. To help my spine feel better. To help me heal. It strengthens your immune system and it makes you look healthier and if you like have problems.
And just to see like how you're doing with your physical wellness.
Oh, when you're sick, it's about the best thing ever.
When I had a cold, I went there. And I think maybe when I had the flu. So that I get over my cold or whatever I'm facing. Mom does me and then I get better? I get better by coming here. I take vitamin C and stay in bed.
Some people take medicine. That makes it worse, truthfully. But if you just go into chiropractic care, it makes you feel so much better because it's just, it just feels so nice. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah.